Most people get retirement planning wrong. They either start too late or rely on generic calculators. True Retire offers a personalized approach to help you plan smarter. Here's my honest review. True Retire allows you to input your savings, income, expected expenses, and retirement goals to create a tailored plan. The surprising truth is how detailed it is. I entered multiple income streams, Social Security projections, and even potential healthcare costs, and the software generated a realistic scenario for my retirement timeline. Most people get this wrong by assuming a single number is enough. True Retire considers all variables. The interface is intuitive, with charts showing projected balances, spending capabilities, and safe withdrawal rates. It even provides with scenarios like early retirement or market downturns to help you adjust your plan proactively. I also appreciated the educational content, which explains financial concepts in plain language. Most retirement tools overlook this, leaving users confused. True Retire empowers users with knowledge and actionable insights. In conclusion, True Retire is a solid tool for anyone serious about retirement planning. It's detailed, user-friendly, and gives a realistic roadmap for your financial future. Subscribe for more honest financial software reviews so you can plan confidently for retirement.